Now coming to the most anticipated segment, the gaming and the content creator segment of checking every laptop on Amazon. So this is the part 4 of this series we are doing. So without any delay, let's get started. So we have three segments under gaming as of now: the casual gaming, the intermediate gaming, and the high performance gaming. So we'll start with casual gaming and AMD processors first. Okay, so we have Ryzen 5, Nvidia or AMD. See, GPU is a must in this segment, a dedicated GPU, not the integrated GPU, and 8 GB of RAM. So we are having three gaming results, but nothing is less than 50k. So let's see, not 60k even, there is 70k minimum is the gaming if we wanted the AMD processors. So 3 GB Nvidia GTX 1050 is the graphic card they are providing. So let's check this laptop first if this is worth 66k or not. AMD Ryzen 5 quad core 2.1 GHz. Okay, 6 MB cache, 4 cores. GTX DDR5 RAM, dedicated backlit keyboard. Windows 10 preloaded. 8 GB DDR4 RAM, 7200 RPM SSD, and 56 NVMe. Very good. Okay, this is a decent spec laptop. They didn't. It's a okay. It is a full HD display, not the 4K display, but the full HD display. But it is at 66,495 as of now. Shadow black. Okay, the model looks cool. The design of the laptop is thin and light, I guess. It looks thin but not light. There are two fans as well. Okay, generally I won't recommend laptops for gaming because of this thermal throttling issues. So if the laptop is not allowing the heat to go out, right, it is gonna melt the chips actually if you're doing heavy gaming. So there will be thermal throttling. The processors will try to work, but due to heat, right, they reduce the efficiency of the processors. So that is in AMD. We'll see the Intel processors. So casual gaming, I think there should be many laptops. Okay, there are 26 results. So let's see if there are any less than 60k, at least 65, 60. Acer Nitro 5. Okay, this is a pretty old laptop, I guess. Okay, 9th gen of i5. We should check the speed of this as well. Turbo is up to 4.1, but we need the base clock. 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, upgradable to 32. Okay, this is a very good feature where one slot is occupied with 8 GB, I guess. So you need to replace that one with the 16 gigs stick, two 16 gigs sticks. And Waves Max Audio, 4 GB of dedicated graphics, better than the 3 GB of dedicated graphics on the other AMD machine we saw. So comparing all the specs here, 8 GB DDR4 base frequency, why are they not mentioning the base frequency? So for base frequency, we have to check the laptop specifications from the Intel side, I guess. 9th gen Intel Core 9300H. 8 MB cache. Okay. So base frequency is 2.4 GHz. So this is a good laptop. I recommend this now. Acer Nitro 5, but this is one generation old CPU, but its base frequency is better than the others that are 10th generation. And also there is hard disk but no SSD, so you can think of it if you want. And the hard disk is 7200 RPM, so it is relatively faster hard disk than ordinary hard disk. So this is not the but if you are using for games, it's gonna be slow without the SSD. That's the only thing I can suggest right now. And one generation old CPU. Okay, the design looks good. Keyboard looks very RGB lit, I guess. The keys looks funky a bit, but it's fine. It's manageable for it. It should be a gaming laptop, right? So that should be fine at 59,900. And talking about the other laptops, there is another Lenovo Legion. Let's see this. Lenovo Legion at 8th generation of i5. So base frequency is higher, so you can go for this even if it is 8th generation. 4 GHz max, 4 GB of 1050 graphics, and screen is 60 Hz, 8 GB RAM, 4 GB graphics, 1 TB hard disk. Even this is not having an SSD. That is a problem with these two laptops. So if it is having an SSD, I would definitely recommend it. But without SSD, if you want to game, it's gonna be slow. It's gonna be really slow. Let's check the 60,000 segment. We already checked the Acer Nitro 5, Legion, and Acer Nitro 16 GB Optane. Okay, 2 generations old CPU, but base clock is higher. 8 GB of RAM with 1050 Ti, 4 GB graphics, storage, 1 TB hard disk. So regarding this Optane memory, I'm gonna make a separate video. You can check that out later. So for now, this laptop, as it is a 2 generations old processor, but everything in this looks perfectly fine, apart from the 1 TB of hard disk. Okay, so that is about gaming under casual and AMD. And now we check the Intel, right? So casual under Intel. Now we'll check the intermediate under AMD. So intermediate gaming. Okay, I think there are no laptops in this segment with intermediate gaming and AMD processors. So we'll go with the Intel now. There are 25 laptops. Let's see if anything is less than 60K. No, there is nothing less than 60K. We'll see all the results. Nothing is less than 60 here, not even 70K. Let's see. Okay, nothing is less than 60K and 70K in intermediate gaming for Intel processors as well. Let's go to high performance gaming and AMD. Okay, there are no laptops at high performance gaming in AMD as well. Let's check the Intel. Okay, under Intel, okay, minimum specs is 16 GB of RAM and i7 RTX 20 series and 512 NVMe SSD. And there are 18 laptops in this segment, but many are currently unavailable. 3 lakh, almost 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 1.5, 1.5, 2 lakh, 2 lakh. So these are gonna be very much pricey. I'm gonna suggest if you're spending more than 1 lakh on a gaming laptop, you can buy a custom built PC for that price. So everything is above 1 lakh, 2 lakhs. So nothing in this segment we are gonna see right now. Hey guys, welcome to the last part of checking every laptop on Amazon. So the last segment is gonna be content creators laptop. And we'll start with the AMD processors first. So content creation and AMD. So the minimum specs is 16 GB of RAM, 512 NVMe SSD and Ryzen 7 or Ryzen 9. So we have only 2 laptops and there is one laptop which is less than 60K. So we're gonna check this out definitely. So this is the best laptop in the segment maybe. So what are we getting at this price point? 8 GB of RAM, 0 RPM hard disk. I think the specs are not properly written here, so we'll check the full specifications here. Okay, the laptop is HP 15S series, full HD display, Ryzen. Okay, base frequency is 2.3 GHz, processor speed, and 8 GB of RAM, DDR4. Maximum support is 16. You can upgrade it. Frequency is 2400 MHz. That is also good. 512 GB SSD and AMD Radeon Vega graphics. Okay, Windows 10 pre-installed and 1 kg 700 grams is the weight of the laptop. Okay, this is the most suggested, I guess. Maybe I will definitely recommend this laptop if you are going at 60,000 price point. And the RAM is good, SSD is good, and also Ryzen 7 3700U is having 2.3 GHz base rate. Okay, what else we need? We are having everything in this laptop. So this is a perfect, I would suggest, but if you can upgrade the RAM to 16 GB, this will be the best content creators laptop in the segment at 58,690. I think there are a couple of offers as well from the seller. Okay, this is one choice you can go for. The HP 15S is the series. You are also having an SD card slot and a Type C also on this device. So this will be a perfect content creators laptop in the segment. The other one is above 79,000, so we are not going to see that. So let's check the Intel processors in this segment. 16 GB RAM, they are saying minimum 16 GB, but they are showing 8 GB RAM laptops. i7 and i9. Okay, there are 45 in this segment. So we'll quickly check if there are anything that is less than 70K or 60K. We'll keep 70K. Okay, under 70K also there is only one laptop in Intel. So I would recommend going for the HP's 15S series laptop with a decent specs than the current version of this, because it's gonna cost you more than even at 70K you are getting only one laptop with 4 GB of RAM. So never go for this segment. So that's pretty much about checking out every laptop on budget segment on Amazon. So if you like this series, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.